Central Florida, northeastern Osceola County in East Central Florida, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located south of Christmas in eastern Orange County, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wedgefield, Whitlow, and Christmas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.